Hello, Dominic from Loveland Automotive here. Doing a little project here. I figured I'd show you guys what I'm doing. So, I have a trailer I need to move, and my truck's broken at the moment. So, I figured I would take an old Reese hitch I had laying around and build a 3-point Reese hitch. Shouldn't cost me anything. Just a little bit of time. So, let me show you. This is what I've got. There's the Reese hitch. We're going to cut it here. I already cut it there. I'm going to notch this out and bend it down. I'm going to notch this down, bend it and weld it. It's going to get bolted onto this. And I'm going to take these long flat pieces here off the side of the hitch. And we're going to make the top point of the 3-point so that we can move some trailers around. So I'll get that cut apart the rest of the way, and I'll show you what we end up with. Okay, so I got a little further along than I should have without videoing anything. So let me show you what we got here. So I got it all welded together. It's a little hot still. Hold on, let me use a towel. So we got it bolted to the drawbar, welded on there, just overlap the two pieces of the wings, welded it up. I'll show you the back side. Just stitched it up there. But yeah, there's our 3-point hitch trailer receiver deal. God, that's hot. There it is. I just got to let it cool down and drill the holes for the top link and throw some paint at it. Be a handy little item to have around for about 2 or 3 hours of my life. That's what we came up with. But I'll use the crap out of it. I'll use it quite a bit. I'm always trying to load something on a trailer. It's not always a truck here to do so. It should make life a little easier. But we'll get some holes drilled in it and throw some paint at it, and I'll show you the finished product. Well, there you have it. There's the 3-point Reese hitch. Grinder and some paint makes you the welder that you ain't. That's what I've always been told. No, not really. It's not perfect, but what do you want for some junk I had laying around? Never claimed to be any kind of welder or fabricator, so anybody that doesn't agree with the way I put that together, it is what it is. It'll hold together for what I need to do. It's not like it's a commercial item. Alright, that's about that. You all have a fantastic evening. If that paint tack's up, I'll throw it on the tractor, give you a look on the back of there. So there it is on the back of the tractor. Like I said, it's not perfect, but worked out pretty good for, like I said, something I made out of junk. Might need a couple bushings on that top link. And I may eventually weld some washers to it just to keep those holes from wallowing out. But there you have it. There it is on the back of the old Ford 2N. Alrighty, have a good one.